Here at Skoog Music, we've spent the last 8 years helping people make music with technology by creating an entirely new kind of musical instrument. Working with students, musicians and educators from all over the world has inspired us to create Skoog, an affordable digital musical instrument for everyone.
So how does it work? Well, your Skoog connects wirelessly to an iPad or computer. You choose a sound and touch to play. It's supremely tactile, so you can hit, press, twist or squeeze. Just play what you feel.
To make Skoog a reality, we really need your support. Pre-ordering your Skoog will enable us to fund tooling and production.
As well as pre-ordering your Skoog, you can pick up some amazing perks, like the custom artwork we've commissioned. You can even get yourself a one-off original artist's Skoog.
Anyone can make music with a Skoog, and you can be part of that.
What if you could turn your home into a smart home by enhancing your existing products? What if your home could learn from your habits and adapt to you and your family's behaviors? What if you had visibility into real-time events in your habitat that matter to you? What if the hardest part of the installation was plugging your devices into the wall?
Hi, I'm Krishna.
And I'm Ryan, and we're the founders of Habitat. Our philosophy at Habitat is to develop solutions that help you enhance the products you already have in your home.
This all started about a year ago when we were looking for some simple solutions to opening our garage door. The harder we looked, the more surprised we were at how complex today's solutions were. That led to a simple docking station for your garage door remote and the philosophy of Habitat and the product line we are introducing on Kickstarter today.
To start with, we created 4 products we're launching today: Habitat Park, Hub, Protect, and Learn. Habitat Park is at the core of the Habitat philosophy. You simply dock your garage remote, magnetically attach the unit to the Habitat Hub, and your park is now ready to open and close your garage door through your mobile device. No cutting of wires or complex configuration. You can now control your door from the Habitat app, or let the app's geofence system open and close the door for you. You can also invite others to Habitat Park and enable them to access the garage door. Habitat Park allows you to provide garage access to you and your family, and function as a hands-free way to enter the garage while riding a bike. Habitat Park and Habitat Hub come together seamlessly, enabling Habitat Park to share power and show off the elegance of our design principles. Habitat Protect was designed to keep you and your family safe. Protect can notify you if your smoke alarm or carbon monoxide detector is going off, whether you're at home or on the road. Habitat Protect simply installs by attaching magnetically to a metal plate on your wall. One Habitat Protect per floor can cover most homes. Protect also comes equipped with temperature and humidity sensors to help you monitor your home. Habitat Learn is the ultimate monitoring system for your home. It is an affordable multi-sensor that goes into any room you wish to monitor. Learn can detect temperature, humidity, light, and sound. It even has an accelerometer for sensing motion. Learn's sound sensor is one of the products we are most excited about. We've created a pattern recognition software that allows you to record any sound and have the Habitat app listen for it and notify you when it's heard. A prime example is your doorbell or fridge alarm, or you can simply use it to know if your dryer's done. The applications are endless. The Habitat Hub is the central intelligence system that makes all your other products work together. This is how we enable your system to learn by connecting it to the cloud. The Hub will also connect with home automation systems that you already own, like Nest, GE, or Philips Hue. Last but not least, we're building out advanced learning algorithms and consulting with experts in pattern recognition technology to enable Habitat to learn the habits that matter most to you. So we don't just brew you a coffee while you're running out the front door. Habitat is the first home automation company that is truly automated. This is only the beginning for the Habitat platform. We will be working hard to deliver more innovative products that turn your home into a smart habitat. We're moving fast at Habitat. We've already finished our designs and we've partnered with a world-class manufacturer to do our initial production run. We're just putting the finishing touches on the software and then we'll be ready to release to market. We need your help to fund our initial production run. And as a thank you to our backers, we're offering the absolute best price. We really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and to check out our project today. First and foremost, you can help us by selecting one of the rewards to help back our project. And secondly, we could really use your help getting the word out about Habitat. So sharing on your social networks and telling your friends and family will really help us bring Habitat to your home.
Hey, I'm Jocelyn, and I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about something we've been working on called the Brio. It's the first smart outlet that actually knows when something appropriate is plugged into it. Parents, we're worried about a lot of dangers in the home. Sharp objects, hot stoves, but we're willing to accept the dangers of our current outlet technology. We have something better. I'm a mom, and like every parent, I'm devoted to keeping my kids safe. Let me tell you about a dear friend of mine. She's had to endure something that no parent should have to endure. Her infant daughter was injured and shocked at the outlet. She had to have several surgeries to try and help her recover from that injury. She'll never fully recover from that. Since then, I've learned that thousands of children are injured at the outlet and through electrical fires, and even one is too many.
I'm going to show you what the Brio is. This is just a regular and standard outlet. You can connect it and replace the current ones in your home anytime. No? What I want to show you is how it works. Is just a regular 120 volts outlet, so where you can just connect and it will provide you the full voltage, so you can put whatever you want. So what is amazing about this is that in the event that you have the connectors open to the touch, so there is a safety here. This is a shock-proof device. I don't know feeling anything at all on this one.
So I've tried every type of snap-in, slide-over outlet protection technology that's out there on the market, and my kids are really clever. It didn't take them very long to figure it out and defeat those. So I wanted something that really worked and truly made me feel like my kids were safe. I teamed up with an amazing group of designers, product managers, and engineers who've worked in some of the greatest companies around the world to design the Brio.
What you see is basically the evolution of the Brio technology from its initial proof of concept that shows, on a crude way, the basic technology that allows an outlet to distinguish between a human touch and a load, such as a lamp or an appliance that could get plugged in.
We've come really far with our design, patent filing, testing, and prototyping, and we're ready to take the Brio to market. And all we need is your help and support.
I developed the AirDock because I wanted a good solution for holding and charging my phone in my car. Most everyone I know has a smartphone and a car, but the two don't seem to play nicely together. Every time I would get in my car, I was always plugging multiple things into my phone, trying to get it to charge and play music. Not only is that annoying, but there were wires all over my car. Once plugged in, there's the ever troublesome problem of where you put your phone. Under my leg, in a cup holder, on the dash. None of those are a very good solution. The AirDock solves all of these problems. By using wireless charging, I was able to eliminate all the messy wires. And by using rare earth magnets and some pretty cool nanotechnology, I was able to hold the phone firmly in place No clamps, no clips, and no cup holders necessary. I now get in my car, set my phone on my dock, and drive away. When we launched our original AirDock campaign, we were met with a great success. We met our funding goal quickly and were able to deliver all of our perks on time. Thank you very much to everyone who has supported us so far. Over the last year, I've received many suggestions on how to further improve the AirDock. I appreciate these suggestions very much, so for the past few months I've been working on implementing them. I think I have something you guys are really going to like. First, we've developed a new improved transmitter for the dock. It has a better charging range. This allows for a thicker case while still getting good charging results. The new transmitter also works better with many aftermarket receivers, allowing for more phones to be supported for use on the AirDock. Second, we have built in an NFC chip. It can be used to launch many tasks or apps, such as navigation, dock mode, or a media player. Third, we've moved the micro USB port to the back of the dock, and we made the overall dock a little bit thinner. The AirDock 2.0 prototypes are done and have been out being tested for a while now. I personally have been using it and it's fantastic. The purpose of this campaign is to push the AirDock into full-blown production. We know what it takes to bring a product like this to market, and we're asking for your help to do that as soon as possible. The minute we hit our funding goal, production of AirDock 2.0 starts. Everything is in place and we're only waiting on funds. So please go below, select how many AirDocks you think you and your friends can use, and contribute today. I promise that we'll get you your AirDock as soon as possible and that you'll absolutely love it.